Hello guys, welcome to Bible Tech. Today we are going to see how to delete a YouTube channel from YouTube if you don't have any use with it. The first thing, just open your browser, go to YouTube, and then you go to this arrow icon here, and then you choose the YouTube studio. Open now. When you go to YouTube studio, on the left side here, you scroll down and go to setting, and then channel, then go to the setting, and you scroll all the way down until you see the button like it's written delete YouTube content. So you just go there and it will take to another page, to a new tab that will be giving you a prompt to enter your password for your email that will be used to open the YouTube account. So I'll put my password here, then next. So it just ask you some questions, give you like why do you want to delete your account, why do you want to delete the content, or do you want to delete it permanently or temporarily. So I go for permanent deletion. Read all this by your own, then mark all the checkboxes. After mark the checkboxes, now you're gonna click this button here. Now have to enter your account name, like your email address that you used to open that YouTube account. So I'll enter my email address here that I used. Then you go to this button, remove, and voila, you have deleted your account. So it will take some time to delete all your content, especially if you have a lot of videos in your YouTube account, YouTube channel. So it will take some time, but this is the process of how you can delete a YouTube account from YouTube. Now let me know in the comment section below if you want us to work on anything else that's maybe be helpful, and let me know if you found this video helpful to you. Thank you. Have